2018 marks the 60th anniversary for Subaru. Over the past 6 decades, Subaru has delivered our products all over the world.
Today, it is my real pleasure to introduce to you the all-new 2019 model year Subaru Forester. The name Forester perfectly describes what this model was all about. Adventure, versatility, capability, trustworthiness. And now, it's time for Generation 5. This is the all-new 5th generation Subaru Forester. Ladies and gentlemen, this all-new Forester is all about adventure. Industry-leading safety, reliability, capability, and technology. With Ascent and Forester joining our ranks this year, and a new plug-in hybrid debuting also, you can expect 2018 will be our 10th consecutive year of record sales.